Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. The snow has finally graced Toronto with its presence, creating a serene, almost magical atmosphere. However, with the shorter days, it started quite dark, adding a cozy feel to the morning. Welcome to the Perfect Life vlog. No, it's Sunday here, and last night I decided to make pasta from scratch. It was not the first time I have the machine for that. I love doing it, but somehow every time I do it, I talk to myself, don't do that again, especially on a Saturday night. But I keep doing it, and now the house is a mess. So yeah, you know those vlogs, those aesthetic vlogs that you watch here on YouTube, and they are so perfect and the house is so clean and so tidy. This is not one of those vlogs. This is real life, guys. And yeah, so Sunday is my rest day. It's still my rest day. I still consider Sunday my rest day because I don't go to the gym. I usually don't work, but I still have to do some housework, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Not housework, I'm just gonna clean, but of course I'm being dramatic here. It's not that bad. I can clean this in 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna have my rest day, my rest Sunday. So yeah, come with me because you are going to clean with me. I did that by myself, but you are going to clean with me. Yes, when it comes to making pasta, things can get a little chaotic. I'm typically very organized with my cooking, but pasta night is a different story. There's something about juggling the sauce and pasta timings that throws me off my usual neat rhythm. The kitchen isn't large, which adds to the sense of cramped chaos. But there's the thing. Amidst the mess, there's joy and memories being made. It's about embracing the imperfections and enjoying the process, even if it means a bit more cleanup later. So, as I clean up, I want to share a thought with you. Life, much like my pasta nights, can be messy and unpredictable. But it's in these moments we find joy and create memories. This messy kitchen is a testament to a life lived fully, with good food and better memories. As I tied up, the day brightens, both literally and metaphorically. It's a reminder that no matter how messy things get, there is always an opportunity to reset and start fresh. So make some mess, laugh, and build beautiful memories out of it. That's what a healthy, balanced life is all about. With our kitchen now sparkling clean, it's time to dive back into the wonderful world of cooking. I believe in the joy of creating, and what better way to do that than preparing a nutritious and delicious lunch. On the menu today are beef medallions, paired with caramelized carrots and a fresh green salad. This meal is a beautiful harmony of flavors and textures, and it's also a great representation of a balanced diet. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to create, to nourish, and to enjoy. It was time for one of my favorite parts of the day, unwinding and relaxing. We decided to spend the afternoon cozied up in the bed. And of course, the experience wouldn't be complete without our furry friend joining us. Pets have this wonderful way of adding joy and comfort to our lives. Their presence is calming and reminds us of the simple pleasures in life. So, one of our traditions is Sunday night pizza, and that's what I'm gonna prepare. Now, I'm gonna start to prepare now. Actually, it takes some time to proof the dough, so I'm gonna start to prepare the dough, and while it's proofing, I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna finish the pizza. So, if you are not new here, you already know, I always say that we should try to make everything that we can at home, and that's what we do with pizza. We love pizza, we want to enjoy pizza, so the way we found is to prepare the pizza. And I have this recipe that I use for many years now. Actually, we do that for so many years now, and every Sunday I prepare the dough, we bake the pizza, and it's a healthy way to enjoy pizza. Not only because we prepare from scratch, but because of the ingredients. I always use whole wheat flour instead of white flour. We try to top with protein. So we are always looking for ways to make it healthier. And this sound is my dog. I'm gonna start to prepare the dough, take my shower, and then finish the Sunday. I begin by combining 3/4 cup of warm water with 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This mixture sits for about 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, I mix 1 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour with 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the yeast is ready, I incorporate it into the dry ingredients. I knead the dough in a standing mixer until it formed a cohesive ball. Then it's time to let it proof, covered with plastic film and a kitchen towel, for at least 30 minutes. After the dough has proofed, I divided it into 2 for thin crust pizzas. I roll out the dough into 2 discs and prepare my beloved old pizza stone with a coating of avocado oil. Before adding any toppings, I poke the crust with a fork and pre-bake it for 5 minutes at 450 Fahrenheit. Now for the most fun part, the toppings. I start with a base of tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. For the first pizza, I go for a classic fill with some leftover pepperoni and olives. The second one gets a bit more adventurous with smoked oysters, mushrooms, and spinach, a unique combination that is surprisingly delicious. Both pizzas then go into the oven for another 5 minutes. And there you have it, 2 homemade pizzas, each with its unique character. The dough didn't rise as much as I expected, but the pizzas turned out tasty. It's a reminder that in cooking, as in life, sometimes things don't go as planned, but the outcome can still be wonderful. Namaste.